Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn on mic on Zoom meeting. If you're joining a Zoom call and need to make sure others can hear you, this process is quick and simple. We'll walk through how to open Zoom, enter a meeting, and turn on your microphone so you're ready to speak clearly. To begin, open the Zoom app on your device. Make sure the application is fully launched and ready before moving on. If Zoom takes a moment to load, just wait until the main screen appears. Starting from the app itself is important because your microphone controls will only appear once you're inside a meeting. Next, open the sample meeting. This brings you into the Zoom meeting interface where all of your audio and video controls are available. Once you're inside the meeting, take a moment to look at the toolbar, which is usually located along the bottom of the screen. This area contains the key controls you'll use during the call, including your microphone settings. Now look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the microphone icon. This is the main mute and unmute control in Zoom. If your microphone is currently off, clicking this icon will turn it on so other participants can hear you. If you see a line through the microphone, that usually means you're muted. When the line disappears, your mic is active. This is a helpful visual cue to remember anytime you want to check whether your audio is on or off during a meeting. After that, select the sample mic. This step is useful if you have more than one microphone connected to your device, such as a built-in mic, a headset, or an external USB microphone. Choosing the correct microphone ensures Zoom is using the device you actually want to speak through. If you ever notice that people still can't hear you, even after unmuting, it often means the wrong microphone is selected. So this is an important setting to confirm. Once your microphone is selected, you should be all set to speak in the meeting. As a quick tip, it can help to talk briefly and watch for any audio indicator in Zoom to confirm your voice is being picked up. That way you can feel more confident that your mic is working before the conversation begins. That's all it takes to turn on your mic in a Zoom meeting.